Welcome back to Helper Dad. Today, we're diving into the Coldware Network and its native $COLD token. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about the $COLD token presale. The presale offers a unique opportunity to get in early on the Coldware Network, and we'll explore the potential benefits that await those who invest during this initial phase. We will cover buying the cold ICO and using BNB, BSC, ETH, BTC, and the blockchain. Coldware Network is a project aiming to do something specific, and to understand it, we need to delve into its core concept. Basically, it's all about addressing a particular problem within the crypto space, and they're tackling it with some interesting underlying technology. The fundamental concept revolves around / insert explanation of core concept from actual video here. The problem that Coldware Network is designed to solve is / insert detailed problem description here. And finally, the underlying technology that makes all of this possible is / insert description of the technology powering the network here. T's delve into the specifics of the $COLD token. Essentially, we need to define what the utility of this token is, what it will be used for. Then, we'll clarify its specific role within the Coldware Network ecosystem, so you understand how it functions in the larger project. Finally, we'll break down the tokenomics, which includes understanding the total supply of the $COLD token and specifically how that total supply is allocated. We will look at percentages dedicated to things like the presale, allocation for the team, budget for marketing, and any other significant allocations. Read what you need to know about the $COLD token presale. We'll start by outlining the exact presale dates and timeline, so you can mark your calendars accordingly. Next, we'll delve into the pricing structure, including the specific token price you can expect to pay during this presale period. We'll also cover the minimum and maximum purchase limits that will be in place to ensure fair distribution. Finally, we will explain the vesting schedule, if any, so you are aware of how and when you will receive your tokens. T's walk through the process of buying $COLD tokens during the presale. We'll cover a step-by-step guide to make sure you know exactly what to do, as well as the supported cryptocurrencies you can use for the purchase, including BNB, ETH, and BTC. We'll also identify the specific platform or website where you can participate in the presale, and, importantly, we'll discuss gas fee considerations, so you can factor that into your overall investment. Get started with participating in the Coldware Network token presale. You'll first need to connect to either the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum blockchain. This requires a bit of setup, but it's fairly straightforward. You'll need to install either MetaMask or Trust Wallet on your device. These are browser extensions or mobile apps that act as your gateway to the decentralized web. Once installed, you'll need to add the BSC or ETH network to your wallet's configuration, depending on which blockchain the presale is operating on. Finally, and this is very important, be sure to follow security best practices when managing your wallet. This includes keeping your seed phrase extremely safe, never sharing it with anyone, and being cautious about connecting your wallet to untrusted websites or applications. Participate in the $COLD presale using BNB. You'll need to follow specific instructions to ensure a smooth transaction. It's crucial to verify that your wallet supports BP20, as $COLD operates on the Binance Smart Chain. When using BNB, remember to factor in gas fees, which are the transaction costs on the blockchain. These fees can fluctuate, so it's wise to estimate them beforehand to avoid any surprises during your purchase. Read how to participate in the $COLD presale using ETH. First, ensure you are using a wallet that supports ERC20 tokens, as $COLD is built on this standard. When making your transaction, be mindful of gas fees. These can fluctuate based on network congestion, so be sure to check current gas prices to accurately estimate the cost of your transaction and avoid delays or failures. Participate in the Coldware Network token presale using Bitcoin. There are a few important steps to consider. Since the presale likely operates on the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum blockchain, you may need to use a bridging solution or a specific exchange to convert your BTC into a compatible cryptocurrency like BNB or ETH. You'll need to convert your Bitcoin to either Binance Coin or Ethereum, depending on which chain the cold token is built on, to make the purchase. Read what you need to know about the Coldware Network ICO. We'll start with a summary of the overall initial coin offering so you can understand the project. Then, we'll walk you through the roadmap, giving you insights into their future development plans and what to expect moving forward. Finally, if available, we'll provide information about the team members and advisors, potentially linking to a dedicated team page for more details. Of course, when investing in cryptocurrency, it's essential to acknowledge the inherent risks involved. Before investing, it is important to remember that cryptocurrency can go to zero, and that you should never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's also important to consider that the token you invest in might never be listed on a centralized exchange. That is why you should do your own due diligence. Coldware Network has implemented several security measures to protect your investment, but remember that no system is completely foolproof. Therefore, it is very important that you do your own research. Always take the time to understand the project, its team, and its potential before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad. To wrap things up, let's quickly recap the compelling advantages of getting involved in the $CLD presale, giving you the opportunity to position yourself early in what could be a promising project. We encourage you to head over to the official Coldware Network website and all their social media channels to do your own thorough research. And finally, if the presale is live and links are available, be sure to follow the direct purchase links provided to secure your $CLD tokens.